So I've had clients before where I've worked with high-speed automated equipment. This is a couple of years ago. They had an OE problem. They were only running about, I'd say 60%, sometimes 30%, depending on the day. And it's high-speed equipment. They were making 600 pieces a minute. So we couldn't even see the operation because it was going so fast, and then it would break down. Run so fast we couldn't even see it. We had to use high-speed cameras in order to even capture what was going on in the process to help getting the information. And we found two basic things that were causing the issues. One was micro stops. We talk about breakdowns, but we talk about a little minor stop. This gets stuck, go fix it, start the machine again. That minor stoppage was a huge problem for them. And they had issues with a component. If it was bad, it would clog up the machine. And if we used a better component, it would not clog up the machine. So we understood what that was, that definition of a good component, bad component, and made a better component more consistently to go the uptime. Bottom line is when we got the details, understood the losses, studied the process, and did the problem solving involving everyone, when we did that, we went from about 30 to 60% uptime to 85% uptime. And it took us roughly 8 months to do that. So it takes some effort, but it got the results that we're after. So that's what we're going to do with this process is teach this and show you how you can use this process and get the improvements that are expected that we're not necessarily always getting with TPM. Ultimately, you got to be very decisive. One of the issues that we have also is that it's very difficult for people to make decisions because they're afraid to make the wrong decision. So the approach that we're going to take is, all right or wrong, let's just make a decision. The road of life is paved with flat squirrels who couldn't make a decision. So don't be a flat squirrel. Let's make a decision. Let's go forward. Let's learn our lessons from everything we do. Because if you think about it, there's really no failure in our experiments because we're going to learn every time we do it. And every time we learn and we learn from our mistakes, we're going to be better going forward. That's the path that we want to take. So the next course coming up is going to be about uptime and understanding the losses. So thank you for hearing those comments and open to any questions that you have about what we just talked about and in general about uptime and what we're going to learn in the future.